Hello from Slovenia again. I have some drips from my previous pour here, and I want to leave them to dry to use them as skins because they are beautiful. And I have just a little bit of rainbow colors here in my modular split cup. So I have carmine red, azo orange, azo yellow middle, permanent green light, phthalo blue, and permanent blue violet. And I will add black and white on those. Maybe this was not the best idea to add black on the yellow. Why did I do that? Now I can't escape. I didn't think about it before. Now it is what it is. I don't like yellow and black together because they create green and not a lovely one, so yeah. But I kind of didn't think about it. I just went all in. That's why I say a lot of the times that I'm kind of impulsive when I paint. Yeah. Okay, and my white is not white, it's my pearl white. I saw just right now, I have it already mixed, so yeah. I will just do some jiggles and rings today. And I will travel around. There will be a lot of black and white because it was a lot of it on top, and I had just a little bit of my rainbow colors left on the bottom. Okie doke. Interesting one. I will pour some black around. I definitely want to keep that bottom part, so that's why I have to think how I will till this out, that this will stay. I'm good with losing some of that. Totally lost it. So, two things that I would do differently, but this was just, you know, an idea because I have some paints left into the cup and I want to try that. Definitely some amazing details. I will definitely leave this to dry, and one thing that I would do differently, think first where I want to put white and where I want to put black. Yeah, so I will leave this one to dry, so stay tuned. So here she is dry. I wanted to show you this because it was really an experiment, and I kind of like this idea with just black and white and then colors on bottom. I have to say that details are beautiful, but the colors just especially this part here. I love this part, but I'm not a fan of this orange. So yeah, those were just my rainbow colors that were left in the split cup, and I just added black and white, and I will try this again definitely, because it's kind of an interesting look. I really like it, but not a fan of this part there. But yeah, colors turned out really weird, but the details are beautiful, and sometimes we can be happy with that too, and I am happy with those details that and the knowledge what I want to work on the next time. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.